Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you some exercises that can help you grow your chest muscles, which are your pecs by the way, in the gym. Okay, let's do it. Okay, by the way, your chest muscles are actually called your pectoral muscles, also known as pecs. And in order to work these muscles, you need to work other muscle groups as well. Like it's gonna involve other muscle groups. That's what I'm saying. Like your biceps, your triceps, your shoulder muscles as well. And if you're thinking, how is the chest muscle gonna help me? Well, it's gonna make your chest look bigger, and also for the ladies, it helps you like lift your boobs, your breast. I mean, like make them look bigger, and that's actually nice, right? Also, you will be able to pec bounce when you work your chest muscles. I'll show you an example right now. Okay. Yeah, so it's cool, right? I know lots of people love that stuff but don't know how to do it. But yeah, when you work your pecs, you see you'll be able to do it once in a while, and then you'll master it. Like Terry Crews does it all the time. Anyways, let's just hop right into the gym, and I'll show you those exercises right away. Okay, let's do it. Okay, we're gonna begin working our pecs, and yeah, in case you're wondering what was behind my back, the back of my shirt, yeah, that's paint. Okay, it's a long story. But anyways, we're gonna begin this exercise now, and I'm just setting the seat, making sure it's like, comfortable and okay for me to start this exercise called the machine press. Okay, it's kind of similar to doing a push-up, and if you can notice how my arms move, you see it's the same movement as a push-up, and you can also always do this with one arm, or you can do it with both. Okay, but I'm just gonna start with one arm for now, and after I'll start with both arms. After I'll begin both arms. Okay. Just so you know, this is a very hard exercise. I mean, you can always adjust the weights to just to work with the one that suits you. But yeah, I definitely felt this on my pecs. Like it really hit me hard on the pecs, on my chest. So yeah, it's a great exercise, and you see the importance of using machines or equipment rather than just home workouts. So just enjoy this exercise. Moving on to the machine chest fly or machine fly. Oh yeah, that's the paint right there. Anyways, yeah, so this is another great exercise for your chest, and I really love this one because it has like it involves your arms too, but if you look at my elbows, it's slightly bent when I'm like it's kind of you're giving someone a hug, but you're not really hugging the person. You're just bent. You're bending your arms in a way that you want to hug someone, right? So that's what I'm doing right there, and this will really work on your chest, and it's a great one. Just keep that in mind. Okay, here is another flying exercise. Yeah, this is a cable fly, and it is another great exercise for your chest. It's similar to the machine fly. I mean, it involves the same angle that your elbow is gonna be bent at, and it's like giving someone a hug, basically, right? So it is a great one for your chest. And whenever you want to start this, as a beginner, I would say start small, okay? So you figure out the weights that suit you so you don't hurt your shoulder. So start small, and if it's too easy, then increase it. And yeah, just enjoy this exercise. Alrighty, we're moving on to another exercise. This is a similar one. It's a chest fly using the dumbbells. And yeah, great for your chest too. I mean, it's awesome. But I actually prefer the machine fly to this to using two dumbbells because I feel like dumbbells can be more risky. Like you would probably need someone was spotting you basically, like so you don't hurt yourself. And this can also really hurt your shoulders too if you're not doing it properly. So I feel like the machine fly is much more safer. That's my own opinion. Okay, so the next one that we're gonna be, ouch, damn. Oh my. Okay, so the next one that we're gonna be doing is called the barbell chest press. And yeah, this is way different from the chest fly, but this is another great one for your chest. Well, so many studies have shown that like this really hits your chest good, like it works your chest really good. And I like to do this exercise because well, it helps to develop my upper body strength, and it's great. Anyways, I'm just gonna go grab more weights because I feel like this is too easy. I need to really work my chest, right? So I need to add more weights to this barbell. But it's kind of funny how you can see me through the mirror. Well, thank God I wasn't doing anything crazy behind the camera. Oh my. Also, I love this one with the machines because it gives you that support. Like basically, you might not need someone to support you, but as a beginner, I would always recommend like you get someone to support you because if you're not doing this properly, or let's say you're exhausted and you're trying to put it on the rack or on the hook, if you're not able to do that, you can really hurt yourself. So just keep that in mind. Okay, guys, so I saved the best for last, which is the dumbbell upper chest pullover. And this is actually a great chest exercise for your upper chest. The previous exercises that were shown, they don't really hit the upper chest as much as this one does. If you can see, it's kind of like you're pulling the dumbbells towards you, and while you're doing that, try that motion right now, and you see how it like contract your chest, and you feel it at your upper chest too. So this is actually a very great one, as it also works on your biceps and your triceps too. Okay, now I'm exhausted and I'm just gonna reduce the weight and yeah, just keep working the pecs. Okay guys, so you've come to the end of this workout. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a like, subscribe also, and make sure to turn on your post notification. Yeah, I would also like to mention a big thank you to those that participated in the Instagram giveaway. That was very helpful, and I hope you enjoyed the giveaway anyways. If you weren't able to participate for some reason, maybe you're not on Instagram or something, well, I'll probably do another one when I get 100 subscribers. So yeah, help me get there, and I'll do a much more bigger giveaway. But in the meantime, thank you again for participating. And yeah, let me hear what you want to see next in the comments. Okay, like let me hear your thoughts and stuff. What video you want to see, let me know. And yeah, just go crazy in the comments. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Okay, bye. Alright guys, so you've come to the end. Okay guys, so you've come to the end of the way. Okay, you've come to the end of the